is going on up there? Are we even going to be able to go through? What is happening? It's like ambulance. There's a billion police here. I think only the left lane is going, so I'm going to have to move to the left. Okay, let's try and cut in here because that person's leaving a hole. I don't know why that person's signaling, the other person behind me signaling to go right. There's nothing to the right. Everyone has to move to the left because of that traffic. Let me zoom out. This is crazy. What is happening? What is happening up there? Come on. We're not going to be able to move anywhere. Do I have to move all the way to the left? There's no way through. Jeez, I wonder what happened. I think we have to go all the way to the far left lane. Pretty sure, because I do see flashing lights in front of my lane. So, we'll see. Everyone's gonna have to funnel into the far left lane. It's so squeaky. Okay. What is squeaking? This one? Look at that. I don't think we're gonna be able to move. I'm gonna wait for the green light, and I don't think we'll make it, but we'll try. Yeah, alright, I'll be back when our light's green. Our light is green, but nobody's moving. Come on. Come on, buddy, let me in. The person doesn't want to let me in. Oh my goodness. Okay, they're letting me in now. They're blinding me, but they're letting me in. Okay. Look what is happening here. Holy moly. Never seen so many police in one spot. And fire trucks and everything. And they put some cones here. What is happening? They even blocked that lane. Oh my goodness, I couldn't even see. Whoa. Wait, is that what? I don't know. Well, there's something in the road there. What the heck is happening here? Why is this all blocked off? What is going on? Why is this whole... What is going on here? What is happening? Why is 237 and everywhere I'm trying to go like such bad traffic today? Is everyone like crashing and dying or something? I don't understand. Is that truck gonna let me in? Yes, they are. Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but there's like crazy traffic and road blockages everywhere. That wasn't even like the freeway. Well, why was that street blocked off? What is happening? I don't know what's happening. Why are all these cones here? What is happening? Oh my goodness. What is happening today? Is this because of an accident, or is there some weird stadium event thing going on? It's weird, they only blocked the carpool lane for some reason. And now it's... what was the point of those cones? Like, I don't get it. Is there gonna be traffic here too, or why are these people having what is that whole backup of cars? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on here. What is happening here? blocking off lanes. So maybe it is a stadium event. I don't know. Because that's the Great Mall exit. So there must be a concert or football, or I don't know what's happening. Something's happening. That means my customer's probably gonna not be able to get through. Probably because they're coming from Los Gatos area. Let's see. Well, carpool lane is till 8 p.m. so it's already 9. So let's take it. But not like it's gonna be any faster. Everything's like blockaged off here. I don't know what's happening. Look at that. There's traffic all the way over there. What is happening? Well, I guess if I find out, then you guys will see. Otherwise, that's it for now. See you guys later. We're still stuck in traffic. I have no idea what's going on. We passed the stadium exit. So, unless people are trying to find a way to get to the stadium, I have no idea why there's all this traffic all the way out here. Why is it out all the way to those exits there? I have no idea.